You're so naughty.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be checking out the Rapid Line raising desk stand. So my previous raising desk stand, it broke just when the warranty ran out. This fella, it's got a 10-year warranty. So I'm going to be setting it up, make sure it works and showing you how deluxe it looks like.
Hey, nice. Got it?
So the kit comes in two pieces. This is the actual motor. It's a dual desk motor. What that means is you should be able to put your feet underneath it. Previously I had a single motor and that means, I constantly bash my knees. Now we're gonna need an assistant to help us out for this. It's a two-man job.
Lift those legs, lift those knees. One, crossover, crossover.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps.
Okay, let's have a look at the instructional manual.
First impressions, it's nice that it's pre-screwed in. Fits like Lego.
Nice. Well, I like this setup already. It's so much more, it's very easy to do.
And 2 C's. And we need to get the plates on either side. That's how you get the desk on. So let's raise this desk up.
Like this. Yes. Nice. Now you'll note that we did put a fabric down on the floor just to protect the floor from any scratches, and we also wanted to protect the gloss of this gorgeous thing. Nice. What does this one do?
The feet.
Oh, you know what the good thing about these feet is that they're so wide. This is going to provide a good load, I think. Like, it's really good surface area. Cool, I like it. Got it?
Next up, we are opening up a piece of wood that's going to go on top of the stand. And to do that, Nora's gently going around the outskirts, the edge, because we don't want to get into that wood.
Ooh, nice. It looks nice, doesn't it?
Let's leave a bit on the top. You can see there's one there. Yeah, I do. There is a bit of a mark here.
Where?
This here. But it's on the underside.
Unscrew the screws. Slide. And the screws are
2. So you just unscrew the Allens a bit. 1, 2, 3. There's 8 Allens to unscrew, and then hey, it's easy.
Alright.
So how far do you go?
Oh,
Oh, you can put it straight there.
oh wow.
Place it accurately as possible so you don't forget. So in order to get the tabletop symmetrically on the base, we just pretty much took this round and just eyeballed it, and then we measured it finally with this, and Nora says it's good enough because if I measured it, it wouldn't be good enough. So
No, it's definitely good enough. Otherwise we'll be here all day, guys.
wasn't you meant to be doing this?
You look like you're having too much fun.
Place it on top, should be good. So before screwing this in, just make sure you get enough space for the plug, and pretty much the cable is just plug into the controller. So this is the controller for the 2 motors. You control this controller with this controller. I'm going to mount this at the end once the journey's done, and this wire, RJ45, goes into this slot right here.
It's so nice. You need your help.
Slowly.
This is like hard work, I have to say, but it was enjoyable. I enjoyed it. Can I do it again?
Nice.
Maybe not.
Right.
Good luck. Oh, it's lights on.
Lights are on. It says 62. I guess that's the height at the moment. You want to press up?
Go on. No, you do it. You do it.
Come on.
I don't want to.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, nice.
Sounds
That sounds really nice. It's a nice sound.
So I've set that level to level 1.
Sounds nice. Wow.
I set that level to level 2.
Give me a high five.
So now, I'll press 1, press 1. It's going to go down back to the previous setting. Sorry. That's good.
I think that was awesome.
Yeah, it makes a nice sound. It's
That's
not
really nice.
It's not like like
Yeah, the last one was horrible. Where did you get the last one from?
eBay.
Where's this one from?
This is from Mega Things Pty Ltd. Rapid Line Furniture Set. They had it in stock. Officeworks wanted me to wait a whole year for it. These guys 10-year warranty, delivered pretty much the day after the next, and we managed to do it. Pay the extra fee for it to be freshly installed. Don't go through this mess. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
You're so nice.
Thank you.